Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change leverage on XM trading. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so to change your leverage on your current account, it is not possible. So if I go ahead and click onto my demo account, we can see our leverage is 30 to 1. So if I click on manage, you should be able to change it here. So what I've noticed, if I go to account information, its leverage is 30 to 1 and there's no option to edit. We can go ahead and edit the name, the account name and stuff, but there's no option to actually change the leverage. So basically what we want to do is just basically create a new account. So this can be real or demo. I'm going to do it for a demo. So I'm going to click on new account. I'm going to click demo account. Then from here, we're going to choose your MetaTrader type. So I'm going to click on MT5. And now we've got ultra low standard, XM0. I want to do ultra low standard. Now this is where we can change our leverage. So if you've got other options, if there are other options you can change it from, so 31, if you can do 50 or 21, it's going to give you the option here if it is possible. And then click on continue, and then from there you can put in your investment account, base currency, etc. So that's the best way how to change leverage on XM trading.